this would be a 2012 Honda Civic C, right? So it's a Civic SI. All right, so in order to change the oil, we are gonna remove the old oil and then put new oil in.
That's how it works.
Fair enough? All right, we bought 0W20, which is what it wants. Yeah, I heard it speaking into me. And same, what? It's spoken.
No, it came in the manual.
Well, what's the manual for?
So you can know what kind of order with the car.
All right, so first thing you do is drain the oil. First step, you remove, that was pretty tight. Remove the oil cap. Okay, remove the oil cap. Clean the threads, because that's what I do. Never close the hood with the oil cap, right here. All right, next step. Now, drain. Ew. There's a dead bug. I think that's what I did yesterday. Shouldn't you be doing this? That's too small. That's too small. I have made an incorrect assumption on the size of the bolt. It's not a 14 or 15. What is it? One of these two. What do we got going on over here? Wow. Got it. So it is a numberless 17. That's unexpected. Okay, anyway, 17 same size as a Subaru. And we're gonna loosen it. We just drove the car, so it's probably gonna be 2,000 degrees. Got a bad angle here. You know, this is pretty dry, Alex. It's like not even leaking anymore, like healed itself.
Yeah.
Go!
Self-healing car?
Yeah, move that.
Why out of the way?
I'm gonna need to... Why is it so tight? Ah! Got it. Look at that strip. That came off. Alrighty then. Oh, it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot.
Yeah, it's kind of what oil does.
Star ramps? Yeah. You know, it's not that hot.
Strange.
Yeah, it's not that hot.
Strange.
It is black though, see? So remove the washer, because it's a crush washer and it should be replaced. A lot of people don't replace it, but it should. And the filter's conveniently right by the drain plug, so you get that pretty easily as well. Okay, the bolt's hotter than the oil.
It doesn't make any sense.
Nope. All right. So that engine here has 134,000 miles.
132.
No.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
132.
No, 34.
32.
4.
Dude.
I'm gonna go 4.
Want me to turn around right now?
No.
Why?
No. Aye. So that's done. And that oil change is done.
All we need is the odometer.
Odometer. Let's find out. No, leave it.
I'm proving you right. I'm proving you wrong.
I'm never wrong.
You were always wrong.
I'm never wrong. I was once mistaken, but I'm never wrong.
Let's see.
I should have you doing this.
Let's see. 131,854,000 miles.
See, told you.
131.
Exactly what I said.
You said 134.
Watch the video, watch it. It's exactly what I said.
No. You said 134.
I would never say such things. Such lies. All lies.
I was wrong, but I was closer.
All lies. All of them.
Don't just on the engine.
Okay. Uh-oh. No. It's gonna fall in the pan.
How should I do that?
I can't get the tool off. I can't get a good angle. Come on now. There you go. Oh, got it. Okay, so here comes oil. Oh. So the filter right behind here that you probably can't see in the camera.
I probably could see if I stuck the camera in the oil pan.
Hmm?
You could probably see it if I stuck the camera in the oil.
Very little leak, man. It's wet a little bit, but like, I would never take this apart to fix it. It's not enough. I mean, obviously, if you're putting a clutch in it, might as well do it. You can always clean it when you do the oil change, but like, there's nothing much to clean. It's pretty cool. So this has something in common with my Subaru. They both have an oil leak. Except this one is 4 years older with 133,000 miles. Okay, 31, whatever. And mine is 51,000 miles.
131,584,000
There's a slight difference in build quality between Subaru and Honda. I'm going to go ahead and say that. It caused a major conflict in the world. Or maybe not.
What happened here? Oh, okay.
It's not holding anything. This is too short. Okay. I'm gonna try another one. So this is a transverse mounted engine. So the engine is this way and transmission is over here. My car, it's like this. Engine's in the front, transmission in the back, which is the proper way of doing things, of course. But who doesn't know that? And then the power wheels, the driven wheels are in the back, or all four. Correct? The oil filter seems hot.
You think?
Oh, that's hot! Oh, it's like a burn, it's like napalm. Oh, oh, oh.
Why was that hotter than the actual oil?
I don't know. Maybe because it was cooling off in an aluminum pan. Okay, cooling off now. I have 4 drips on the floor. Unacceptable.
You will not be punished for having the car dropped on you.
Huh?
You will be punished by having the car dropped on you.
That seems harsh.
It's fair.
When you get to a fast drip, you can stop. Oh, I need to get the new brush washer. And the new filter. You clean the surfaces of the oil filter mount where the gasket is going to go. Make sure the gasket doesn't get stuck to the engine and stay behind. That happened to my friend. He lost 5 quarts in 10 seconds. He's like, there's slight oil leak. Jump to the ignition and turn it off. All right, let's get the new gasket. I wonder where it is. Do we have new gaskets? All right, I'll let that drip.
It's kind of late to think about it, do you think?
Huh?
Kind of late to forget, do you think?
I'm sure I got them because I just got it together. Wearing gloves is a good thing. It's a good thing, you know what I mean? Know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Shut.
Why is it not here? I left it in the bag. Maybe in here. Who's that? Did I forget How are your wipers?
They work fine. I don't know why.
They're not streaking in the rain?
Sort of are.
They have new refills.
They're sort of streaky, but I think that's just because the rating's cutting, maybe coming off.
Look at that. Got two of those. Snowblower, drain plug. That's not it.
Would it work?
No, different size. These are third-party Subaru drain plugs because Subaru likes to leak. I was trying a different brand. Come on, don't tell me I didn't get those. I always get those. I usually keep it together, so I'm a little thrown off here. Tractor oil filter. I mean, fuel filter. Tube. More tube. This part number. These are Toyota wipers.
You don't have it, do you?
This might be Honda wipers. So here are your wipers. There's one. Oh, another more different one. I have so many things in this drawer. I have to have it. There's no way I don't have it.
You don't have it, do you?
Probably not. And here's another Subaru one. How about a spark plug? Is that too?
And I mean, you could probably get the hole with it.
Another key case? Maybe we can use this.
How's just the one thing you don't have?
But I do have this.
What even is that?
Kickstand?
No.
Ferrule?
I don't know.
Wait, I have an idea.
No.
I have an idea.
No.
This? Seems like an important O-ring. More different O-rings.
It's like endless.
More push pins. I'm like in love with push pins. Little push pins. Hose? Other hose?
Why do you have so much stuff in that one drawer?
2012 Honda Civic SI backup camera, mirror, accessories.
That's oddly specific.
Don't need that. Bike mount. More push pins. Hey, Subaru.
That drawer is like a black hole.
2016 Subaru remove parts for hitch installation. Remember that? That was a fun job. Rachel's bike. Tube. I don't know what that is. What would this be? Rubber? Caps? Another different cap? I don't have them! Lock nuts? Lock nuts? License plate, bushings.
You have everything but them.
For Subaru. What are those? Tire patch kit.
You have
More
every.
tire patch kit. Hose clamp. Green tubes. I mean, trailer parts. License plate mount for a Toyota. Is it possible that I don't have it? But I always buy them with the filters.
How much stuff just came out of that drawer?
Not in here. What the? Is it up here somewhere? Dude! Huh. I need my thinking hat.
I don't think I have help you think with no brain.
What do you mean? They are. I remember. It's over here.
That's what you're looking for? That's it? You emptied that entire drawer looking for that.
Found it. I put it in the wrong place. One day I opened this drawer. I'm like, why are these loose things here? There must be for something else. No, they're the Honda ones. I told you my hat would help. It's kind of like Samsung in his hair.
No.
Not Samsung. That's TV.
That,
You know
that,
what I'm talking about.
that's a TV producer.
Honda. They have big ones too. And smaller ones. Found them. No.
Careful.
Okay, so I'm gonna spend a couple hours putting all that back. Ready? Gloves.
Got a towel, sir?
Yeah. That's gonna be a while to clean up. Okay. Oil filter. I need to lube the thing. Lube the new filters gasket so that it doesn't bind. With fresh oil. Finger. Oil. Oil finger. Rubber gasket. Lube. Make sure the other finger's not.
Oh.
Clean finger. Or if you use it for medical reasons. You're gonna put this on. You're gonna do 3/4 of a turn after the gasket hits. Hondas just come to a dead stop, so it's easier to know when to stop because it stops.
You could have put that
Pull yourself
anywhere
back
else.
in. Oh, I forgot the plug.
Seems important.
Okay, make sure your finger's not oily. Which one's the new one? Make sure it's not oily. You know what? In this case, we can actually put oil in the filter because it goes in like this. Saves 1/4 of a second refilling it with the pump when you turn the engine on.
I think it's more effort than it's worth.
I have to go up there anyway because I have to get the bolt.
No, it's not.
I do.
It's like the opposite of
Friends
saving
don't
time.
know. They do because they want to do, Adrian. Sorry. Very precise. That's enough. Stay. And this. All right. Now, without spilling it.
That's a tall order.
It's not that tall. It's only about a couple inches.
I mean, without spilling it apart.
What do you mean? Hey, guy.
Over here. Different angle.
Can you see anything?
As much as I could before.
Okay, that's touching. Needs to be tightened. Where's the bolt? Bolt. Just gonna do some boltage over here. That was worthless. Okay. Oh! I almost went into the oil pan.
That would have been unfortunate.
In. Clean. Clean, 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 clean. Glove off. I'm taking the gloves off, man. That's it. All right. So touch. See, just dead stop. Can't go any further. Let's go further. Ah!
Yep.
That's my bad wrist.
Then why are
Something
you
crack?
I hope not.
It's probably my wrist, if anything. Put this on tighten mode. Get this out of the way. Just to drop it. Tighten it until you can't tighten it more. No. Tighten it until you feel the crush of the washer. It's a bad angle. There you go. I'm not tightening as much as it looks. Just FYI. And just go real slow. Gotta put my hat on. Otherwise I can't think.
You can't think with an arm either.
Yeah. I don't want to do this left-handed.
You're right-handed.
I have no feel. Okay. All right. That's good. Again, I'm not doing a lot. I just trying to get a feel for it. And then I use a little bit of Windex. It's a mild degreaser. And okay, I sprayed it. I can't find the wet part. All right. So just clean it a little bit. My wrist hurts. The one that I busted last week. Now, if you really want to clean it, now this is actual cleaning. Man. You really clean it? Don't breathe it.